I don't know if this is a good idea, is it?
It's probably not. Probably one of the worst ideas I've ever had. It's not raised well. At all. Okay, so hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, I'm with Helicopter Mom 55, and we are doing day 2 of March 2019 box week. And we're actually going to both be opening boxes before we get into what we're opening, because there's like a whole bunch of like drama with the box this month. Yeah. We will be probably putting items into the stockpile giveaway, which is this box here, which basically we put items from my subscription box in. I keep some, give some away. Once it's full, I post a video saying, this is how you enter that video. Get it, giveaway.
Right.
Thing.
Yes.
I'm nervous.
Why? You invited me.
If you want to be in the Just Like Drew crew family and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family. So you're literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. Okay, so today we're going to be, now do this right, because you show off our address.
I'm not going to.
We're going to be opening up Boxy Charm. Mine's closer! Okay. So we're opening up Boxy Charm. It is a $21 per month subscription.
Yes.
Helicopter Mom kept seeing me get it, and she was like, you know what, I want to get like, she gets Phase 3, but now she's like, I want to try something else. This is a $21 per month box. You get like 4 or 5 like, usually full size, sometimes deluxe size samples, right, but like always like worth usually like $100 or more. But this month it was a little bit weird. So this month they sent me like 3 different tracking numbers. They sent like so many emails that like didn't actually matter. Didn't they tell you like they were like, we don't know when you're getting your box?
Yes.
So she got an email that was like, hey, you're getting a box, maybe. Our bad. Then they sent me an email that was like, this is when your box is coming. They were like, actually it's not. Then they're like, okay, this one, nope, it's still okay. This time though, I didn't even check anywhere. I was like, I'm not checking. Then they sent me an email. They're like, hey, so we sent you something that you already got before. Wow. So we put points in your account to buy something else, but we gave it for the amount. I don't know. It was like, I don't know.
I didn't get all that.
Yeah, I don't know. I think they gave me enough points to buy a whole nother box of BoxyCharm, but you can't actually buy BoxyCharm. I don't know. So I don't know what I'm getting. Apparently I'm getting stuff I've already gotten before, which is a little bit not exciting. And also, her box feels way fuller than mine.
Yes,
it feels like super full.
I thought it was just me.
No, her box feels better than mine. It feels better. There's probably a person in there who's like, you just won $1 million! Ah! And mine will be like, so, we have Mr. John Wayne here, gonna bust the seal on mine. Do you want to cut your own seal of your box with John Wayne?
I'm afraid to do that.
Do it. Do it.
Afraid.
Cut it.
No.
Cut it. I won't take you to the ER if you get hurt though. I'll call Dad to pick you up because I don't want to do that. I'm bored.
And he'd be.
I'm already in the ER this week. I don't want to go back. Okay, so we're gonna open up the top of the box here, and it says La Vie en Rose, which means it's a rose themed box. Okay.
Yeah, same thing.
So right on the top we have Liftoff, purifying and brightening peel off. We have the same one.
This is the same. Yeah.
Peel off mask from Wander Beauty. Yep. I'm definitely going to keep this and try it. So this is a peel off mask. One that like peels off your face.
I can't hang with that.
You don't want that? Do you want me to put in?
Is this like a good thing? Like a big thing?
I do them, but I don't know if you like it.
I can't
do you want me to put yours in the stockpile giveaway?
Are they going to be excited?
Probably.
Okay.
Okay, sure. But we'll keep that till the end because we have to recap the box.
Yes.
Next thing that we have is Moda Powder and Soft Glow Makeup Brushes. So this is a excellent for wet and dry product, which actually I like need some of these. I usually never keep brushes, but the reason why is because like wet blush and all that is like in now, so you can use these brushes to apply like wet and dry stuff. Ooh. So I'm actually excited. Do you wanna, are you keeping yours? Yeah, I hope so. You better keep it.
Keep brushes.
I actually usually always give brushes away.
Yes.
But this time.
Most of my brushes came from you.
I know, but this time I'm like, okay, so yeah, so these.
Those are really nice.
So the thing that's nice about these is this one's really good for like all over powder. This one you could actually use for like highlighter or like blush.
Okay.
So that's exciting. It's mostly highlighter, I guess, but like I'm probably gonna use it for whatever I want. All right, the next item that we have, oh my gosh, do you have this in yours? Do you have this? Okay, we got something from Cover FX. No, what did you get? Do you wanna look? I'm nervous. Let's look.
Why are we nervous?
Ah! Mom! Look!
Mine's different.
No, it's not.
It is.
Oh, it is! Oh, it's because you're...
Go ahead. You're going to say it. I know you are.
It's because you're not this...
As pigmented.
As pigmented.
There.
Oh my gosh! You guys, we got different ones. Show them. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is, we got 2 highlighters, a contour, a blush, a brightener, whichever that's about, and a finishing powder. We're going to have to read about this. Oh my gosh. A full, this is
really nice.
This is, I'm like, it was worth waiting for.
Yes, this
is amazing. I wonder how much this is worth. Let me see your sheet. The palette from $45 face palette.
Wow.
Are you going to use that?
Well,
you better use it. If not, I'm going to borrow it forever.
Forever?
Forever.
Forever and ever?
Yeah, so next item, okay, this is what I've gotten before, is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Okay. I just got 2 new mascaras last month. Well, what do you want me to keep going? Show something else that you got. Okay. Well, that's a mascara.
Okay.
This is going to go in the giveaway box. I've already gotten this before. I do want to say the one I got last time was kind of defective. Like the spoolie in it kept getting like extra stuff on it, but I don't need mascara right now, so hopefully whoever wins this does not have the same experience. What is this? Manicadar Bloom Volumizing Mascara. So this is a volumizing mascara from Manicadar. This is actually a good brand. I've used them before. So do you need mascara or are you good? Because you just got the Better Than Sex, right?
Yeah, and I don't switch brands because
okay. Do you want to put this in the box too?
Sure.
Okay, this is also going in the box. Wow, you're generous. Wow. All right, I got one more item here.
Me too.
Oh my gosh. Oritza Beauty Rose Glow. Look at this lip gloss.
Oh, I like that.
Oh my gosh, what'd you get?
I got
Ofra lipstick in Monaco. Ofra Cosmetics. These are amazing. Okay, so we gotta open these. You're not very animated. I have to be louder than you in order to keep up the group average.
I'm sorry. So where am I swatching on my...
Yeah, on your hand.
This is really dark.
That's really pretty.
But it's dark.
I love it. I'm excited.
Do you want me to? Do you want to do it on your hand then? Because
do it on your hand. It'll come off.
I know.
People have to see what it's like on your skin tone. They gave it to you.
But
I'll do it on both. I'll do it on me too.
Sure.
We should do these more. Oh, it's metallic. Oh, you love that kind of stuff. Oh man, you look so excited inside that you don't want to tell anybody. But she's look at. Wait, where'd you put? Where is it? There it is. There's mine.
In front of mine.
Like they couldn't see mine.
Well, okay.
Show them yours.
There's mine.
Okay, there's mine. Okay. I can't get mine open.
Are you serious right now?
I'm trying. I wasn't raised better.
You
all right.
Saying that.
I'm just kidding. I was actually raised pretty decent. Okay, this is. Oh my goodness! Look at how pretty that is. Let's do it in your hand too. You can see. We can be jealous of each. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Look at that. You smelling it? It doesn't smell like.
No, I don't smell
okay, show them. Show them what you got. It's like a. It's just really pretty, shimmery. Oh my gosh, this was a good box.
Yes,
I'm very happy with it. Except for the fact that I got another mascara. But I'm okay with it.
But they said
but they gave me money. Yeah, they gave me money for something else. Okay. So to recap, we got the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying Mask, and one of these is going into the stockpile giveaway. Mine?
No,
yours? Okay. We should actually have the giveaway box up. We're doing a bad job.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so.
Okay, we got the Moda Powder and Soft Glow brushes, which we're actually both keeping.
Yes. Which
turns out, because they go with our Cover FX palettes, which are like so great, like so pretty. Cover FX is an amazing brand for skincare products. Yes. I got the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which I'm putting in here. She got the Manicadar Mascara, which she's putting in the giveaway box as well. And then I got the Oritza Beauty Lip Gloss right there, which I'm saving, and you had the Ofra Liquid Lipstick. So I actually really like the fact that they sent us different colors of the Cover FX. So let's show them this really quick so they can see it again. I think this is amazing that they send us different colors of the same kit. I just think it's really pretty. Like, I am really impressed with it. Very impressed with that. The contouring powder, everything. Like, it's funny because it's like, if you look at these, it's literally like perfectly complementary shades for you and for me. And even the undertones of the highlighter. So, I'm actually really impressed. It was like frustrating, the fact that the boxes took forever and literally came today. But I'm impressed.
But you even got information on yours before I got information on mine.
Like, I think they had issues this month, but honestly though, like, I'm happy that it was actually good products. Like, obviously it's not great they sent me a product I already have, but the fact that they caught that and then gave me money for it, like, I'm not at all upset with them. It was just kind of interesting how all the communication was going. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew on, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of Box Week. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. I don't know if I'm hungry or if I'm just like interested in this highlighter. I was actually thinking today I need new highlighters, believe it or not. Okay, so first of all, the packaging is like, ready?
I guess.
Have you ever done an actual
No.
unboxing?
Oh, the face? No.
But not of your own box though.
No. I don't think you're gonna have, I don't know if this is a good idea, is it?
It's probably not. Probably one of the worst ideas I've ever had.
So do you want me to leave? Do you want me to leave? Do you want me to leave?
No. Like, it's so awkward. You're already here. People are gonna know you were here.
Well, you could take a picture without me.
I don't want to. I feel lazy. I didn't have coffee before. Like last night I drank coffee right before.
Wow. So I'm getting, okay, all right.
I need you to like lead the video. Just
it's not gonna happen.
Start it.
I'm scared.
1, 2, 3, hit it.
Hi everybody.
Oh, ew. Don't ever do that again. Well, even if I suggest it, never again.
Is this recording?
Oh yeah.
Stop.
It's a red light. It's my favorite thing to do to people is not tell them we're recording.
We're in trouble. That's horrible. They heard, so they heard about the paper and everything.
No. Well, now they have. Now they did.
You should probably start over.
One take.
Okay.
I'm just gonna run it.
Let's go.
I'm not even gonna.
All right, go for it. This is bad.
It is bad. Don't mimic me. It's not raised well at all.
Really? You're really gonna say that?
Do you think I was though?
I do.
Wow. Okay.
I did it. So.
I guess. Okay. Well, it's like a personal survey. You're just like, I did a good job, but did it work?
Well,
maybe you did a good job, but maybe I didn't retain the knowledge.
So
yeah,
you know.
That's true.